everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do this look right here. I call this my winter look with a pop of color, a little bit of pop of color, you know, that blue on the bottom, a tiny bit. So my winter pop of color blue look. I don't know. I haven't decided what I'm gonna call it yet, but this is the look we're going for. If you're interested in recreating this look and learning how to do it, then stick around. So the first thing I'm going to do is do my brows. And you guys all know one of my favorite brow products is the AOA Brow Pencil. So for my eyes, you guys, I took a little bit of my Tarte concealer and placed that on the base just so it acts as a base, I guess, you know. Now I'm taking the Berries and Cream Dominique Cosmetics palette and we shall be doing the beautiful, I guess, winter eye look. First, I'm picking up some Soft and Sweet and placing that just on the lower part of my eyelid. So now taking some Bittersweet, I'll be placing that on the outer half of my eyelid. So I'm going to take some of this cherry juice and place it on the outermost and the crease of my eyelid. And then to make sure everything is nice and blended out, just taking like a clean, simple, little fluffy brush and gently just kind of fluff out and soften up the look. So taking my brush, I'm picking up the shade Warm Pie and placing that on the inner half of my eye. And then using my finger, I'm going to take Sugar Cookie and just dab that on the center of my lid. Alright, so I went ahead and did my foundation. For the foundation, I used the Hourglass Foundation Vanish Stick. For the concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape and blend that all out using my Morphe sponge. Then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier and place that right where I placed the concealer. And taking a nice big fluffy brush, we're just going to dust that off. To put back some color onto my face, I'm taking my Hoola bronzer. Now I'm taking my Milani Coral Cove in number 05. And we have to put on some highlights, so I'm taking my Fenty Beauty in How Many Carats Diamond Bomb. So I do want to go back in and add a little bit more to my eyes. So I'm taking like a really small brush and diving back into the Berries and Cream palette. I'm going to take some Blueberry Muffin and add that on the lower outer corner of my eyes. And then to brighten up that inner corner, I'm taking my current favorite Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Sunset Cove. I just placed it on the inner corners of my eyes just like that. And then finish off this look with a little bit of Dose of Colors, The Most lip gloss. And top this all off with one of your favorite setting spray. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So yeah, here is my finished look. So I call this my winter theme makeup look, I guess. I don't know, but I like it a lot, and I guess if you guys like it as well, then give a like, give this video a big thumbs up. Of course, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, join the Kwak fam, and that is pretty much it, you guys. I am doing a giveaway. The links will be provided down below for the giveaway link if you're interested, and you can follow me on my social platform, all that good jazz. And what else? I think that's pretty much it, you guys. So here's the final look once again, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys have a good one. Bye!